Hello, Tale Tribe. What else could it be better than tuning into interesting tales with your lad to help them learn more about the world and the right conduct in their formative stages of life? Hey, you found the right tune. Welcome to the potpourri of short tales for little champs gain their best moral values to shape their personality. There were two friends, Kevin and Neo, living in neighborhood. Kevin was 8 years and loved adventures. He was a good climber. One day, while in the backyard, Kevin found the tallest of all the trees there. He climbed upon and was having fun hanging and swinging on its branches. Kevin was excited playing on the tall tree. Later, when Neo came searching for Kevin, he found his friend on the tree. Neo tried to join Kevin on the same tree. Kevin's father and Neo's mother noticed the kids from a distance and were worried that they could fall. Suddenly, a gust of wind came over the tree. Kevin could hear the voice of his father saying, "Kevin, hold on tightly." Neo's mother was shouting, "Neo, don't fall." But seconds later, Neo fell out of the tree. However, his mother ran to his rescue, and luckily he was not injured. After a while, Kevin crawled carefully down the tree. Getting back, Neo's mother asked Kevin's father, "I wonder why Neo could not hold on to the tree." He replied, "I can't say for sure, but when the gust of wind came, you panicked Neo as 'don't fall,' and then in that moment, he did it." Neo's mother looked surprised, and Kevin's father had to explain further. He said, "The mind processes commands. It has a very difficult time processing fear and negativity. In order for Neo to respond to the command of not falling, he first had to imagine falling and then try to tell the brain not to fall. And when Kevin was told to hold on tightly, his brain had an instant image and command of hanging on tightly, and so did he." Neo's mother was intrigued and kept thinking about what had happened. She believed in the power of positive words, but never really thought about the effect on the mind or experienced in such a way. The words we use have great creative power. Use them to support and inspire. Dear tribe, thank you so much for believing us. Stay tuned for the incredible content coming on the way. Empower us to spread the good vibes too. Give a go ahead if you sense the good fit for your little champs. Do assist us with your thoughts and experiences in the comment block. Above all, make sure to meditate for being mindful and take care of yourself the right way. Catch you soon.